Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when your speaker automatically starts or pauses the music. Firstly, I recommend to check if your speaker have the latest software version. Open JBL Portable application. Now your speaker should be turned on and connected with the application. After that, the application opened for you speaker menu, and now you will see it. Then you should scroll down, click at the product information at the bottom, and right here we have software line. You need to tap at this line. If nothing happens, meaning that you have the latest software version. If you haven't, it will open for you another menu, and at the bottom you'll find the button install. You need to tap at this button and wait until this update finished. Next step, maybe the problem in your audio player application. So let's say you listen to music in SoundCloud. We need to restart this application, so first we remove this application from the application list and then open it again. Also, I recommend it to go to the App Store or Play Store and check if you have the latest version for your audio player application, and update if you haven't. Now, if both of these methods didn't help you, we should perform the factory reset. To perform the factory reset, on the front side on your speaker we have play pause button and volume up button. You need to press and hold these two buttons simultaneously for at least 2 seconds. 1, 2. Now you can release your fingers. And then we should reconnect the speaker with the phone. Firstly, let's turn on it. So at the top, click the power button one time. Then go to the settings, Bluetooth or connected devices. And at the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your speaker. Then need to click the forget this device button, or you may have forget button or forget device or unpair or remove. And forget device. And you will remove your speaker from your phone. Without it, if you try to reconnect it, on iOS it will ask you to remove the speaker. On Android it will show you connectional problem. After you remove your speaker, if you have Android, you need to click Pair New Device button at the top, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or maybe you have a refresh button, let's say like on Realme. Tap at this button and you will see your speaker at the device list. Tap at your speaker, and we just reconnect it with the phone. If you want to reconnect it also with the application, you need to open JBL Portable app and then wait a bit. And as you can see, it automatically reconnects with the app. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.